I currently pursued BTech IT in JSpiders Engineering College with 7.8 CGPA in the year of 2023, and it was an amazing experience with JSpiders. It was referred by my friend, my senior, and joined in JSpiders in the month of March, and got placed in JSpiders in the month of September. I've gained lots of knowledge in JSpiders, and not only about skills, they have taught about all the discipline and all the stuffs. And my favorite trainer is Rajkumar sir. They have trained lots of IT technologies, IT related technologies, and will be exposing our communications. And it's all helped to got placed in a company named Mobius Knowledge Service in Perangaltur with a package of 2.5. Thank you.